Do you think we actually breathe fresh air in metropolitan cities? Look around. Concrete everywhere. Cars, pollution. Our breath may seem normal, but is our prana really pure?
Here is the reality. The air that moves outside may not always be in our control, but how we process that air inside our bodies can make all the difference. Through pranayama, we can cleanse our prana, strengthen our lungs, and energize our entire system. Air pollution doesn't just affect your lungs, but it creates impact on your entire system, reducing the oxygen flow, inflaming the respiratory tract, and can even put strain on your heart. Result: fatigue, stress, and it also weakens our defense mechanism against pollutants. So how do we combat this? How do we give our body the tools to fight back? The answer lies in the ancient system of pranayama, the collection of powerful breathing techniques that purifies our prana and fortify our inner system. Pranayama not only detoxifies our breath, but it enhances our lung capacity and strengthens our respiratory and cardiovascular health. Among the various pranayama techniques, one stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness: Anulom Vilom. In this second video of our series exploring the essence of pranayama, we are going to take deep dive into Anulom Vilom and its incredible benefits. Before we dive in, here is what you need to know. Practice Anulom Vilom empty stomach for the best results. If your nostrils are blocked, gently clear your nostrils before you start. Ready? Let's get started. First, sit in Sukhasana, simple cross-leg position with spine erect, and take a couple of deep yogic breaths. If you have seen our previous video, you know the drill. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. After a couple of yogic breaths, come back to your normal breath.
Lift your right hand and bring it into Nasagra Mudra. Place your thumb on your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Release your thumb and exhale through your right nostril for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now inhale through your right nostril for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your right nostril with your thumb and exhale through your left nostril for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This completes one round. Start with 10 to 12 rounds or 10 to 15 minutes daily. As you progress, you can extend your practice by inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 8 counts. That is 1:2 ratio. Advanced practitioners can even incorporate breath retention for a deeper experience.
So what makes Anulom Vilom so effective? Let's break it down. It strengthens your lungs, builds your lung capacity and resilience against pollutants. It improves oxygen flow by enhancing oxygen exchange, and it energizes your entire system. It relieves stress by reducing cortisol level. It enhances concentration level, and it enhances the ability to stay sharp, making it a must-try for students. It gives cardiovascular support by strengthening heart's health. Practicing Anulom Vilom gives glow to your skin. Oxygenated blood flow works wonder for your complexion. By making your lungs stronger, Anulom Vilom equips your body to handle urban pollution and live healthier in any environment. In today's world, we might not be able to control the air outside, but we can transform the way our body interacts with it through pranayama, especially Anulom Vilom. You can purify your prana and build the healthier you. If this video helped you breathe better today, don't forget to hit like and share it with your family and subscribe our channel for more such transformative practices. Let's make a healthier living a daily habit. Namaste.